Hey, what's up everyone? Mendel here. I hope you are doing awesome and wonderful. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can thicken up your guitars by adding synths. So as always, let's dig right in. Here we go. Alright, so here we are in Cubase in a song I'm working on, a song called That First Summer Kiss. New track I'm working on, and it's kind of like a almost happy vibe, but still has some heavy and some technical metal stuff going on. And it's a perfect song to showcase, to add some synths to thicken up the guitars. But let's first take a listen what we're actually working with. So this is the intro of the track. Here we go. So you get the idea. It's like this, I want to say like almost poppy, but still technical and heavy kind of track. So now let's thicken up these guitars with some synths. I was going through a bunch of synths and I was really stoked on this one over here. This is the Hypnotic Dance Inhalion. And I came across this Fat 8 octave preset. So let me just first up the bus over here. So this is what it sounds like. A really fat, sawy kind of synth. So what I did is I programmed the entire riff into MIDI and then used that basically to double up the guitars with the synthesizer. So the synthesizer are playing the exact same thing as the guitars. Maybe there's like one lick where it's just the guitar, but mainly it's just doubling the entire guitar section. And that's what we want. We want to have like a thick extra synth layer doubling the guitars. So these are the guitars soloed. And now we have the same part, but then with the synths. It's adding some weight, but I want to take it a step further. So here we have the synths bus. And what I've done here, over here I have the distortion plugin on. So this is without it. And with it, as you can see over here, it's making the synth a bit thicker. There's less fizziness going on because I was using the tone knob, just adding a bit more character. Also, I want it even a bit more darker because I don't want to have the high end overpowering the rhythm guitars. So in the mix, this is what it sounds like. Now I'm going to play that part again and watch what happens if I mute the synths. You will notice something is lacking. It's just adding this more depth, more 3D to the entire mix and adding some weight to the guitars. But let's take it another step further. Over here you can see another pair of synths. So this is where I loaded up also the hypnotic dance, but I loaded up a virtual square preset. This is what it sounds like. Like really thick, sorry, and even some more low end than the previous synth. Also on that, I'm using the distortion plugin. But over here, I'm taking it a bit further. So I'll first play it without a distortion, then I'll turn on the distortion plugin and you'll hear a clear difference. This distortion is making the synth really filthy, really dark and grimy, and that's exactly what I need. I'm gonna remove a tiny bit of top end and some mids. And I'm gonna blend this with the other synths. I'm gonna put the fader all the way down, then blend it in. So that sounds really thick, and to top it off, these two are routed into a synth bus, and I have a brick wall limiter over here, just to make sure everything stays in check. Now let's blend this together with the guitars. It becomes almost more of a feeling thing now. So let's finally check it in the mix over here. So you get the idea. So now, just to listen for the difference it makes, on that breakdown riff, I'm just going to mute it a couple of times and you'll definitely hear something's missing when I mute it. Did you notice how, like, I almost want to say how empty the mix sounds without it? That's because I just muted it. Again, at the intro, final check. And there you have it. This is just one way how to do it. You can try different synths, maybe synths without some delay and reverb which are like really tight or something like this. Experiment with it. But adding synths, doubling your guitars, is one of the ways which I like to do that can really thicken up and make my guitars sound bigger than they actually are. Hopefully you learned something today. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Cheers.